Good morning and welcome, my dear friends. So, today I'm going to talk about the color green, the significance of heart chakra, law of attraction, everything, how it can make things work in your life. So, as you can see, I have most of green around me. I have a green, beautiful angel, crystal angel, and then I have green cards for prediction angel cards, and then I have a green Ganesha, jade Ganesha, and I'm wearing a green dress and a green jade bracelet. So how green has an impact on our life, on our heart chakra, and how through using green color you can manifest things in your life, how green color will help you manifest things in your life, and how law of attraction is connected with green color. So, welcome to my channel Sangeeta Healing Temples, and I am Sangeeta Gupta, who has been Reiki Grandmaster, Tarot Reader, and Law of Attraction Coach for almost now 30 years. So, I have been doing various courses, training myself continuously for 30 years, and even till today, I'm learning and sharing my knowledge and wisdom with you guys. So, color green is the color of the heart chakra. Heart chakra is the most important part where the energies, the Shiva energy and the Shakti energy from below gets balanced at your heart chakra, and this balanced energy has lot of wisdom and lot of loving energies are here. Everybody knows about heart, right? So when you're full of love, when you wear a green color, it is healing in nature. Green color can heal anything in life, be it diseases, be it broken heart. Green has the ability to heal and manifest things into your life. When you love something truly, you attract that thing into your life. So I've seen a lot of coaches talk about law of attraction, and but they miss out on certain things. They miss out on love, they miss out on appreciation, they miss out on heart chakra, they miss out on energies. So how green color can help you? Green is the epitome of love, and any object, any person, anything that you really love from your heart, without any hidden agenda, without any manipulation. It is like true love. Even for your beloved, if it is true love, it is bound to come to you. Whether you are aware or not aware, things will manifest in your life. So, usage of green color is going to manifest things very fast. And green color is also representative of Budh, the planet Budh. Buddhi, that is your intelligence, your wisdom. By wearing green, you increase your wisdom in your life, and anything that you wish for, wear a green color or wrap the image of that person in a green cover. You can have a green cloth, like I have this green cloth, and wrap your wish into that green cloth and actually work on it for 21 days. Give it all your love. Let love for that thing ooze out of your heart chakra. Whenever you love something truly, it is bound to come into your life, because whatever you love is also loving you. Whatever you appreciate is also appreciating you. And vice versa is also true. Whatever you hate is hating you. So, if you hate somebody in your life, it comes back to you. So, what goes around comes around. If you throw a ball, it will bounce back. That's the law of attraction. That's the law of physics. That's Newton's law. To every actions, there is equal and opposite reaction. If you abuse somebody, it will come back to you. So, my dear friends, if you are at your heart chakra, being in love, those people can really, really attract very good things in life. And I've seen it. My mother has been always very kind hearted and a loving woman. It was not difficult for her to get whatever she wanted, be it money, be it loving relationships, be it health. She had a long life, she wanted to live. And most of the times she was okay, she never complained, she never judged anyone, and she had a very simple and a great life because her heart was full of love. I really wish I could be that loving, but somehow it's very difficult to be like her. That's how saints, sages in of the past, of the Satyuga could manifest things in their lives. Their heart was full of love, purity, and their wisdom was highly, highly evolved, and that intelligence could produce anything and everything. So, the angel that is connected to the heart chakra is Raphael, Archangel Raphael. So, you can call upon Archangel Raphael to fulfill your wishes and keep on giving healing to it, be it in form of Reiki, be it in form of positive thoughts, be it in form of uh, affirmation. So if you wear a green color cloth and do affirmations with love, you're bound to get a lot of love. You're bound to attract that you love in your life. So let this be a new beginning, because there's a lot of need in this world for love. Most of us are not being loving. Most of us are being angry and upset. The other day I found a lady, somebody had parked a car in front of her house. She being upset and abusive just over the car park. So people are so easily frustrated and angry these days. Let's all have patience, love, and care for each other. The more love and patience we have, the more abundance we will attract, for sure. Just practice loving, being loving for the rest of the days. Thank you.